Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw leads from ActiveCampaign, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing leads from ActiveCampaign, log into your ActiveCampaign account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Contacts tab on the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see a list of all your contacts. To filter the leads you want to withdraw, click on the Filters button at the top right of the contacts list. You can choose specific criteria for your leads, such as tags or status. After applying your desired filters, click the Apply button. Once your filtered leads are displayed, select the checkboxes next to the contacts you want to withdraw. If you want to select all contacts on the page, use the checkbox at the top left of the list. Next, click on the Bulk Actions drop-down menu above the list. From the drop-down menu, choose the Export option. Now, you'll be prompted to select the fields you want to include in your export. Select all the relevant fields, such as name, email, and any custom fields you may have. After selecting your fields, click the Export button. ActiveCampaign will prepare your data and send you an email with a download link once the export is complete. Be sure to check your inbox for the export email. Once you receive the email, click on the download link to retrieve your leads. Your leads will be available in a CSV file format. You can now open this file in a spreadsheet application for further analysis or integration. That's it, you've successfully withdrawn leads from ActiveCampaign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.